The Grime-Fighting Quest. Can this pressure washer gun save your day? Ever faced a driveway so grimy it seemed impossible to clean? Or gutters clogged with leaves that turned into a waterfall every time it rained? The battle against dirt, sludge, and mess can feel endless. Traditional tools only scratch the surface, leaving you frustrated and your wallet lighter from wasted efforts. What you need is a hero, something versatile, powerful, and built to tackle every cleaning challenge. Enter the Tool Daily Pressure Washer Gun, the ultimate solution to reclaiming your space from stubborn mess. Could this stainless steel powerhouse be the answer to your cleaning woes? Let's find out. The secret to the Tool Daily Pressure Washer Gun's superiority lies in its unmatched versatility. With an adjustable length ranging from 10 to 44 inches, it's perfect for reaching high rooftops, cleaning under vehicles, or targeting narrow spaces. Its 5 interchangeable nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, 65 degrees, let you control every spray, whether you need a laser-sharp jet or a wide, gentle rinse. Compatible with M22 14mm and 15mm fittings, it works seamlessly with most pressure washers, including big names like Craftsman and Ryobi. No task is too big or small when you've got this level of adaptability. Let's talk about power. With a maximum pressure of 4000 psi and a flow rate of 8 GPM, this isn't just a tool, it's a cleaning beast. Blast away years of grime from your siding or make your car shine like it just rolled off the lot. Built with rust-proof stainless steel, this gun doesn't just promise durability, it delivers. No leaks, no wear and tear excuses, just reliable, long-lasting performance that ensures you'll win every cleaning battle. It's tough, effective, and ready for any challenge you throw at it. Time is money, and this tool saves you both. Say goodbye to endless scrubbing or expensive professional services. The Tool Daily Pressure Washer Gun tackles tasks in record time, delivering pro-grade results without breaking the bank. Its Quick Connect system ensures seamless setup, while the included brass coupler prevents messy leaks. Whether you're washing your car, cleaning the driveway, or unclogging gutters, it slashes cleaning time and effort, making it your most valuable ally. In the end, the quest for a cleaner, fresher space ends here. The Tool Daily Pressure Washer Gun doesn't just solve problems, it transforms how you clean. Affordable, high-performing, and built to last, it's more than just a tool, it's a game changer. If you're ready to take back your time and conquer the mess, your hero awaits. Are you ready to unleash the power?